Hello guys, what's going on? It's Drake Burton here at Heyward Toyota right here in Athens, Georgia. Call me, text me, 678-373 with any questions about this Heyward Allen certified 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty, 2019 one owner Toyota Corolla. Only at Heyward Allen Toyota. This vehicle is very nice outside and in. Up front, you can see that you have a radar emblem. And you also have a front camera. That's a part of your Toyota safety. I can go over and demonstrate it for you during a test drive. 2019 Toyota Corolla. We're going to check out the inside now. The exterior slate gray. You have a backup camera here. And let's check out the inside. All right. Tan interior, very comfortable, clean, and very durable. You have AM, FM, CD player. Power locks, power windows, 20,000 miles, auto lights. Very, very clean vehicle outside and in. Drake Burton from Heyward Allen Toyota, 2019 Toyota Corolla. Thanks.